Results for outbound marketing programs have been declining steadily, and online marketing is going through constant changes. In 2005, it was all about search engine optimization. In 2006, it was about usability testing of websites. In 2007, about business blogging. In 2008, about email marketing. In 2009, about social media marketing. And in 2010, about the mobile marketing boom. In 2011, just finished, it was about the online video boom, which continues. The terms CPM, CPK, and CTR have become a part of advertising tradition, designed to convince you that you must spend online to get millions of views, clicks, and/or impressions. But in reality, businesses are not looking for any of this. What they want is an effective way to sell products and services online. Effective online marketing is about quality, not volume, and quality is what SBox technology is all about. Sales and smart leads from every campaign, from every ad. So who is SBox for? It's for any website that wants to engage their viewers, and it's for every advertiser who wants predictable and measurable campaigns. It's also for ad agencies who want to deliver real results to their clients. SBox is the new generation of online marketing technology for anyone who believes that sales and quality leads come from direct connections with website visitors and with ad viewers.